The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome to English virtual class. Today I will start the class with an activity. The name of this activity is powder activity. Come on children, we will do together. Take powder in your hand and do like this. Lap lap, lap lap, lap lap, lap lap and put it on your face. Whoo! Did you all like this activity? Then we will do once more. Take powder in your hand and do like this. Lap lap, lap lap, lap lap, lap lap and put it on your face. Whoo! Hope you all enjoyed this activity. So now I will start the class. In the last virtual video, we have already learnt what nouns are. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. So now that you are aware of nouns, we should also know the different types of nouns. Right? Children, don't you think so? So today we are going to learn two types of nouns. Common noun and proper noun. So today what we are going to learn? Common noun and proper noun. Now I will start with common nouns. What is a common noun? For example, it is a clown. It is a clown. So clown is a general name of a person. Who is a clown? Joker. So it is a general name of a person. Next, it is his dog. It is his dog. Here dog is a general name for the animal. We can say dog, cat, elephant. So these are the general name for the animal. And they live in a city. They live in a city. Here city is a general name for place. Here city is a general name for place. City is a general name for place. For example, hospital, park, school is the general name for the place. There is no special name given to this place or animals or persons. So it is a common noun. Common nouns are general names given to a person, place, animals or things. For example, boy, girl, man, woman is a general name of a person. And hospital, park, school, city is a general name of a place. And cat, dog, elephant, tiger, lion is a general name of the animal. There is no special name or specific name given to these names of persons, place, animals. And car, bottle, chair, these are the general name of the things. There is no special name given to these things. We will move to the next topic, that is proper noun. For example, John the clown entertains the people in a circus. John the clown entertains people in a circus. So here clown is a common noun, generally used for a person, general name of a person. So clown is given a special name, that is John. So John is a special name given to this clown. So it is a proper noun. John is a proper noun. Next example we will see. It is his pet dog Pluto. It is his pet dog Pluto. So Pluto is a special name given to his pet dog. We will move to next example. They live in Mumbai. They live in Mumbai. So here Mumbai is a special name given to the city. So it's a special name given to a person, place, animals or things is known as proper nouns. We will move to many more examples. This is a car. This is a car. Here car is a general name given to a thing. Is a general name of a thing. This is Honda City car. This is Honda City car. So Honda City is a special name given to a thing, that is for car. So a brand name is given to the car. So special name given to a thing is known as proper noun. So proper nouns are special names given to a person, place, animal or things. And proper noun always begins with capital letter. You have seen that in the sentence. For example, John the clown entertains the people in a circus. They live in Mumbai city. They live in Mumbai city. So here Mumbai is written in a capital letter. So it's a proper noun. It is his pet dog Pluto. Here Pluto is written in capital letter. So the proper noun always begin with capital letter, whether it is in the starting sentence or in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. It will always begin with capital letter. See children, there are two pictures of sportsmen. So there are many sportsmen. We can say football sportsman, then cricket sportsman, badminton sportsman. Sportsman or sportswoman is a general name used for a person. If I give a special name to these pictures of sportsmen, so it will become a proper noun, a special name given to a person. This sportsman name is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is a proper name of a sportsman. Now this is Lionel Messi. So Lionel Messi is a special name of a sportsman. So special name given to a person is known as proper noun, and proper noun always begins with capital letter. See Virat Kohli. Even the surname, the initial is also written in capital letter. Lionel Messi, you can see here also it is written in capital letter. Now we will move to the next example. My uncle bought me some chocolates. But chocolates is a general name of a thing. So this is two chocolates, pictures given here. So if I will say that my uncle bought dairy milk for me. So dairy milk is a special name given to the chocolate, is a brand name of the chocolate. So Dairy Milk Company is only providing dairy milk chocolates. So dairy milk is a special name given to the chocolate. And Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy is a company name, is a brand name of this chocolate. So my uncle bought me 4 Kinder Joys. So it's a specific name of a chocolate. Special name given to these chocolates. Now we will move to the next example. That is, I booked a taxi and I want to go to the water park. But the taxi driver asked me, which water park you want to go? I want to tell him the special name of the water. So how can he take me without the special name of that water park? So there are 2 water parks which I want to go. That is Fantasy Water Park and Silverstorm Water Park. So Fantasy and Silverstorm is a special name given to the water parks. There are 2 pet animals here. One is dog and one is cat. Here the dog and cat is a general name used for animals. Dog, cat. It can be street dog. Street dog we will see in the roads. It can be any dog. But when we give a special name to this dog, for example, it is Cookie. Cookie, and Cookie is a special name given to the pet dog. So, special name given to a person, place, animal or things is known as proper noun. And proper noun always begins with capital letter. In the last class, we have played a game of nouns. Name, place. In the last class, we played a game, that is name, place, animal, things related to nouns. Today also we will play a game related to common nouns and proper nouns. Do you watch cartoons? Which cartoon do you watch? Oogie and Cockroaches? From that, Oogie is a cartoon character who is going to come now in our class to play with us. Come on children, call Oogie. Oogie, come. Hello teacher. Hello children, how are you all? If it is a proper noun, we will not burst the balloon. If it is a common noun, we will burst the balloon. And Oogie will tell us whether it is common noun or proper noun. This is a balloon. And what is written on the balloon? See? Delhi. So Oogie, are you ready to play a game with me? Oogie. So Delhi is a proper noun or a common noun? It is a proper noun because it's a special name given to a place. So, should I burst this balloon? No. So I will not burst the balloon because Oogie said it is a proper noun given to a place name, a special name given to a city or place. A special name given to a place, that is Delhi. Oogie, what is written in this balloon? Just see, cat. And cat is a proper noun or a common noun? Should I burst this balloon? So Oogie said to burst this balloon because it is a common noun. and it is a general name for the animal. So cat is a general name given for the animal. So now I will burst the balloon because Oogie said it is a common noun, and common noun we have to burst it. So I am going to burst. Get ready, children. So it is burst. Balloon. So now Oogie went. So I will call the next guest who is waiting outside the classroom. Do you know in the cartoon of Oogie and Cockroaches, who is the brother of Oogie? Jack. So Jack is waiting outside. Now I will call him. Jack, come. So hi Jack.
Hi, I am Jack. Hi, I am Jack.
So Jack, are you ready to play? So Jack, are you ready to play game with me? So what is written on this balloon, Jack? Sunil. So Sunil is a proper noun or a common noun? So I will explain you what is a common noun and a proper noun. So common noun is a general name used for a person, place, animal or things. For example, people, man, woman, boy, girl. This is a general name given for a person. General name of a place. For example, hospital, city, town. So this is a general name for a place. And cat, dog, elephant, tiger, general name for the animal. And things like pencil, bag, bottle, these are the general name given to the things. So now Jack, you understood what is common noun and proper noun? So what is written on this balloon, Jack? Sunil. So Sunil is a common noun or a proper noun? If it is a proper noun, I will not burst the balloon. If it is a common noun, I will burst the balloon. So it is a game. So we have to burst the balloon. So we have to burst the balloons of common nouns. So Jack, whether it is a common noun or a proper noun? Jack is saying it is a proper noun. It is a name given to a boy, Sunil. So it is a special name. So I will not burst the balloon. Now Jack went. I am waiting for some other guest. See, Spider-Man is on the way. He will reach soon to our classroom to play with us.
Hello, I am Spider-Man. Hello, I am Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, come and meet the children. They are waiting for you and we will play together. We are playing a game related to common nouns and proper nouns. So common nouns are a general name given to a person, place, animals or things. For example, man, woman, boy, girl. These are the general name given for a person. And city, hospital, town, park, school. This is a general name given for a place. And cat, dog, elephant, tiger, lion. These are the general name given to the animals. These are the general names given to the animals. And car, bottle, shoes, pencil. These are the general names given for the things. what is common noun and proper noun? So, we are going to play a game. That is, I have a balloon in my hand and in that something is written. If it is a common noun or a proper noun, you have to tell me whether I should burst the balloon. If it is a common noun, I have to burst the balloon. So, Spider-Man, what is written on this balloon? Just see. Pencil. So, whether it is a common noun or a proper noun, it is a common noun because there are different names, special names given to a pencil. For example, Apsara pencil, Natraj pencil. This is a brand name of a pencil. So, pencil is a common noun. So, now I will burst the balloon. This is a common noun. So, Spider-Man said this is a common noun. So, I will burst the balloon in front of Spider-Man. So, children, I have prepared a pockets of common noun and proper noun. So, I am going to call our next guest to play this activity with us. That is Superman. So, Superman, come.
Hello, I am Superman. Hi, I am Superman.
Children are waiting for you. They are excited to see you. So, Superman, I have some pictures with me. On that, some words are written. So, you have to tell me whether it is a common noun or a proper noun. If it is a common noun, I will put in the pocket of common noun. If it is a proper noun, I will put in the pocket of proper noun. So, shall we start? Superman? Superman, first I have to explain you what is common noun and a proper noun. Common nouns are general names used for persons, place, animals or things. For example, boy, girl, woman, man. These are the general names used for a person. Then city, mall, town. These are the general names used for a place. Cat, dog, elephant, tiger, lion. These are the general names used for the animal. Chair, duster, chalk. There is no brand name. So, these are the general name used for the thing. So, now you came to know what is a common noun and proper noun is a special name given to a person, place, animals or things. For example, this is a boy. So, boy is a general name. And if I will say this is Ricky. So, Ricky is a special name given to this boy. So, special name of a person. Particular name given to a person. This is a dog. But dog is a general name for the animal. If I will say this is the pet dog Pluto. So, Pluto is a particular name given to this animal, dog. And this is a city. So, city is a common noun which is used for a place, is a general name of a place. So, if I will say this is a Mumbai city. So, Mumbai is a special name given to this place. Next is this is a car. So, car is a general name for a thing. There is no special name given to this car. So, it can be any car. But if we give a special name like Honda City, Maruti car, so this is a special name given to the car. So, Superman, now you understood what is common nouns and proper nouns? So come on, let's play together. Are you ready to play? Yes, Superman is ready. So we will start the game. So Superman, our first word is car. So what do you think? Car is a common noun or a proper noun? Superman is saying car is a common noun because no special name is given for this car. So I will put this picture in the common noun pocket. And the next picture I will ask to you. Ricky. Whether it is a proper noun or a common noun, children? Yes, Ricky is a proper noun because it is a special name or particular name given to a boy. So it is a proper noun, and this word I will put in the pocket of proper noun. Now I will move with the next word. So Agra, whether it is a proper noun or a common noun, children? Yes, Agra is a proper noun. It's a special name given to a place. So Agra is a proper noun, and proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So next word is lamp. So lamp is a common noun or a proper noun, children? Yes, lamp is a common noun because there are many lamps we can see, but there is no special name given to this lamp. So it's a common noun. We will move to next picture, that is boy. What is written on this picture? Boy. So boy is a common noun or a proper noun? Boy is a common noun. It can be any boys, right? If I will say, hey boys, so all boys will respond me, right? But if I will call a specific boy his name, like John, come here. So it's a special name of that boy. So only he will give a response to me. So boy is a common noun. The last one is Thomas, and Thomas is a proper noun because it is a special name or particular name given to a person. Thomas, and proper noun always begins with capital letter. So I will put in the pocket of proper noun. So our today's game activity is over. So did you all enjoy it, children? So did you all enjoy the game, children? Our game activity is over. So you all enjoyed, children? I hope that you all enjoyed the game. Months names, festivals names, books names, like storybook. If a teacher wants a storybook, for example, if in my class I am asking a boy to bring me a book, which book he will bring? Because there is no special name of that book. If I will say that bring me the book, storybook of Divya and her family, so he will bring that book to me. So Divya and her family is a special name of that book. So it is a proper noun, and proper noun always begins with capital letter. So that's for today, and you have to do a homework, that is activity 2.6, in page number 7 related to common nouns and proper nouns. And the question is, color the nouns and color blue in common nouns words and red in proper noun words, and one blank fish is given in this page. So in that you have to write your name and you have to color that name. So names are given to the special person, so it will be proper noun. So you can color it with red color. So proper nouns you have to color it with red, and common nouns you have to color it with blue. So do that activity today and send it to me through WhatsApp. Now you understood that what is, now you came to know that what is common nouns and proper nouns. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.